Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download ADP mobile app. Watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe our channel and hit bell icon so that you will notify whenever we post our video. Now in order to download ADP mobile app, head over to the Play Store. Here type in ADP mobile solution. After that, tap on install button. As soon as you tap on install, app will start to download. Your app has been downloaded. Now you can open app by tapping on open button. Now you can log into ADP account from your mobile app. I hope this video helped you to download ADP mobile app. If it did, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.